Alright guys, everything's packed and loaded. It's about 6:30 in the morning. This hidden location's about 2 hours away. So enjoy the scenery on the way and I'll see you when we get there. Yeah, help me. Fish 4. So I'm gonna head back over here to this end trail because that spot got kind of blown up and they haven't seen this presentation. I'm now using a micro grub for fly fishing on the green and white pattern. So fish 5 here. That one was to get out, had to literally cut the line and pull it through his plate, which was not ideal, but man, these grubs have hunkered down in their throats. It's kind of shady right now, which is great because the bluegill are gonna bite. Got it. This is 6 or 7, I don't even know, I've already lost count. Oh, this guy swallowed it too. Guys, I caught a big one. A freaking tank. Look at that. Oh.